Hi everyone, so I'm back with another challenge. In this challenge you basically have to create a function which should reverse this string. Okay, so just pause this video, try it on your own, then resume this video to check out what your approach is and what my approach is. I hope you're done by now. Let's create a function, and function name will be reverse string. We'll take a string as a parameter and we'll simply call this function here with my message. So first step here is to split this string and create an array. So let's say this is step 1. So message dot split by spaces. Let's console log this, save it, open this file in the browser. So this is the output. Now we'll create array of arrays. Basically we want to split these words and create an array out of it. So it will be step 2. And we'll make use of map function here, then the word which we are having here, and we'll split it like this. Put it step 2, save it. So this is the output. Now we have to reverse this order. Basically I want S here, then I, then H. For this I'll make use of reverse method here, save it, and I'll get this kind of output. Now I want to make a string out of it, so I'll make use of join, save it. So we got an array where each string is reversed. Now next step is to join this, but before doing this we have to change the order. They should come first and they should come last. So let's make step 3. So it will be step 2 reverse. Make it step 3 here, save it. So this is the order as of now. Now we'll have step 4 here, and here we will join the string by spaces and make it 4 here. Okay, now this complete sentence will be reversed. Just save it, go to browser, and this is the output. Now just return it here like this, step 4, and call console log here. Save it. So output is pretty much the same. Let's make it hello world just to see if it's working or not. So we have our reusable function to reverse a string. Save it, and you can see it's working absolutely fine. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.